Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add textures to a photo. So here on the screen I've got a photo that I've just grabbed from the Canva library, and I'm now going to show you how we're going to add a textured filter over the top. So head down to apps, and in the search bar we are going to add texture. That's going to provide us with a list of different apps, but we're going to use the top one. It is a Canva Pro feature, so if you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro and you would like to try this out, then click on the link in the description and that will give you a free 30-day trial that will allow you to try out this feature and all the other features that are contained within Canva Pro. So select texture. Now we can see that we have got lots of different options to choose from. So we've got options under paper, so we have warm paper, smooth canvas, and we can scroll along and there is multiple. We also have paint, VHS, grit, film grain, light, fabric and grunge. So if we go to paint, we can scroll across and we can see all the different options. So you can make it look foggy, you can have silky waves, neon splatters, brush strokes, whichever ones you want. I'm going to use the ones under grit and I'm going to choose the white noise. And if we select it, it lays it over the top of our design. Then now we've got some options to make adjustments. So we can change the scale of it, we can rotate it, and we can change the opacity. So I'm going to reduce the opacity just slightly because I just want it to give my picture a bit of a grainy look. And now we can see that that has achieved that. And again, you can just play around with the parameters until you're happy. Then once you are, you select save, and that has now saved that filter onto your photo, and it's just added some extra texture to a photo that you wish to use, all using Canva. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.